all this stuff I got. Oh. Hi, this is Just the Queen Wells, where you can find all the tricks and the hacks of purchasing items at wholesale places. I'm going to help you find a new way of shopping online. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you will be aware of all my great videos that you can click on after you watch this one. And don't forget to click that bell so you will be aware every time that I upload a video, because you don't want to miss anything. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is not about wholesale, but this is about some great items I got for Christmas from a wholesale place. So you know I am all about saving money, and I make sure that my family gets all of my items from wholesale places. So Christmas is no exception to that. So I'm just going to go through some items that I got for Christmas, and I have them all here in the bag, so I'm going to try to get through them pretty fast. So you know that I'm all about my shoes, because you've seen my room, so this is no exception to fabulous shoes. So for my first little Christmas gift from me, in this little bag I have these little shoes that I got on Amazon. So I have two pairs. So I have this pair that is super cute. It's Christian Dior. Not, but it is a dupe for Christian Dior. And these are just some cute patent leather, kind of a taupe shoe. They are very well structured. It has like a little plastic heel, which I like better. It kind of wears a little less than the little rubber heel, but it's really cute. It has a like gold little trim around the bottom heel. This is made very nicely. It has the grip at the bottom. It is cushioned in the inside. So the maker of this shoe, which is Big Tree, did a very good job. I'm sorry, I got this from Aliexpress. Did a very good job on this shoe. So I'm very impressed. I got this in a European size 39. I should have got a 37 because this shoe is a tad too big, so I am going to have to return it. But this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. You have to go to this site and check out. They have a lot of different colors. I just needed a taupe shoe, so this is the one that I picked up. Also, and it gives you this little dust bag that both shoes come in, so I thought that was really nice. And also from that site I picked up this shoe. It has a little smaller heel, but isn't this cute to go with your jeans? The same thing, it has padding in the inside all the way down to the toe. And I got this shoe in a European 38, but this is really nice. It has embroidery all around the shoe in a blue and gold. It just looks like a really expensive shoe, and it was not that expensive. So this is really, really cute, guys. You have to go and pick this up. My family that are suffering with MS, you can certainly wear this shoe on a special occasion. If you're using a walker or something like that, you don't want to wear this shoe. Of course, you want to take some flats and maybe put this on at a table where you're just sitting down. But yeah, this is a fabulous shoe. So I got that one. And also in this little bag, let me see if I think that's all I have in that bag. And then in this bag, I'm just going through the bags. Okay guys, so in this bag I got another pair of shoes, but I am not liking this pair, and I'm just going to sit this bag down on the floor. I got these from Aliexpress too. I just wanted a nice little pair of white tennis. So I'm really liking the shoe. On this side it is really cute and sporty looking, but hella, why did they put a little snap finger and a for you with a little teeny heart on that? There's no way for me to get rid of that. And if you can see that, yeah, there's no way for me to get, I'll put a picture of it. There's no way for me to get rid of that. So yeah, I can't wear these shoes anywhere. I have to wear these working in my yard or walking a dog or something like that. There's nothing I can do with this. This is certainly not my style. So that was a fail, but it's still a cute little leather shoe. They just messed up by putting that little snap finger. I don't know what the hell, what caused them to do that, who knows. But anyway, that was an epic fail. Also what I got, which I'm sure everybody's going to need, is this little straightening comb. I got this off of AliExpress as well. This goes all the way up to high, which is about $4.25, I believe. You don't want it that high, trying to straighten your hair. And this is strictly for I don't think this is going to straighten natural hair. You can give it a go, but back in the day, you know, we put this straightening comb on the stove and then we went at it with the hair. I don't think this is going to do the trick for some natural C curls. Don't think so, but you can try it if you like. It will straighten this hair. So yeah, so I went ahead and picked that up, so I will have it to use. So I'm excited about that, to add that to my arsenal of for my hair. And then also I got this little cute bag. Now my postman shoved this in my little teeny mailbox, so he messed up the structure of the bottom of the bag. But I'm still going to use it. And the reason why I purchased this bag was really because of the cute little handles. It's really cute. And as you can see, it actually goes with the outfit I have on. I thought this is a cute little dinner bag. You don't want to take a great big ass dinner bag to dinner. You want to take a cute little bag if you're going to the club, you're going out with friends. You just want something that's not really heavy. Because you know, mama bags, we have everything in there when we out with the kids, the fam. We want to have aspirin, we got everything in that damn big ass bag we carry around. This is a cute bag that we take out when we're trying to be cute. So it is not going to be a family bag. And this one is really nice looking in the inside. Like I said, it's not going to hold everything. It does come with a strap, but the strap is super cheap, so I will not be using that strap for anything because I purchased it just for the handles. But yeah, that's super cute. And I love this little embellishment on the bag because it makes it look a little bit more expensive. So I got that. And then I also picked this up on AliExpress, was these little hair ties. And these are just for ponytails. And again, these things falling all over the damn place. These go really cute with little ponytails. You see, I could have put this up in a little ponytail with this. And it just hangs down, but it makes it look cuter than putting a little tie or one of those little scrunchies on there. It looks like you took a little scarf and tied it around. I love these things. I got them in 3 different little colors. The site I went to, I think they were like $1 or something, and they came in a lot of different colors and style, stripes, polka dots. So I went ahead and got some solids and got some polka dots as well. So yeah, this is it was a great little stocking stuffer for me. So I went ahead and got those. These are going to come in super handy, especially during the summer when you want that hair up off of your neck. So I got that. And also, you know, over the summer and winter, the past couple of years, last year and year before, I lost family members, and this is a pocket prayer book that I got from a co-worker that I thought was really nice. This is just really inspirational. I think that everybody could use one, because sometimes you be at work, girl, and you need to pray, because people be getting on your damn nerves. This is perfect for your pocketbook. You can step away from your boss and just say, I gotta go pray. Take out your little prayer book outside, in the bathroom, wherever you need to say a little prayer so you can keep that job, because you know sometimes you just got to pray. So this is a really nice little book. I am sure that they come, you might be able to pick these up even at the dollar store, I think. I have to ask him where he got this book from, but they sell them, it looks like, at the Christian Life store. It looks like where he got this one from. But it's really, really cute. And I will look up some links where you can get these little pocket items from, which I'm sure you guys can probably find all over the internet. But anyway, I like that. And let's get right into the last bag that I have. And this one is super cute. I got some Victoria's Secret lotion, and we know that Vicky is the shits. So I got that, and I got these little gloves because it's hella cold at work. And you know, with MS, you can never keep your body temperature. These little things cover up my fingers, but they keep my, you know, the ends of your fingers out. But it has this little thing where I can cover the fingers up. It's not super cold here in Arizona, but it does get a little nippy sometimes at night. So these are from Old Navy, and yeah, they are super, super cute. So I love these. You know, you go out of town or off somewhere, these come in handy. So I got those, and you never have enough of these little lip balms. I have one in my pocketbook. I have one at my makeup, on my makeup desk. I have one by my nightstand, and I use them when I get up. I use it before I go to bed, and I use it while I'm at work. I like to keep my lips nice and moisturized, because the older you get, your lips do get chapped and dry. So these are cute. You can get them from anywhere. They come in all sorts of flavors, and yeah, they are super great. So I got that. I also got some bath bombs. This one is in coconut oil and sea salt. Sea salt is good for taking away some swelling and stuff like that. So that's good. Coconut oil is good for dry skin. And for all of my MS babies, these are really, really good for you. You can put one of these in your bath, get in your bath, and I would say try to do that once a week. This is really good for your muscle soreness. And it will also help to moisturize your skin. So I got that, and I also got another bath spa, which is just some sea salts, and I got those. So they were just cute, and it smelled super good, almost like bubble gum. So I got that, and I got this super cute candle. It's fresh cut lilacs with essential oils, and it smells so good. It came from Bed Bath & Beyond, and if you have not gone on and checked out their candles, please do so. They always have super sales on their candles. I would wait till they have a sale and just load up, girl. Load up. So check their candles out. Go in and check them out. Even start off with some small ones if you don't want to pay the cost of the larger ones, because this is the three what is these little things? the 3-wick one. They have 2-wick ones and 1-wick one. You know, the price goes up. How many wicks you get, I guess. But anyway, this is super, just smells good. So I got that. And the last thing I got off of AliExpress is this. Because one thing I love is making my cell phone cases, and you guys have seen me make them, but this time I thought I would get some off of AliExpress and see what quality I got and if I had to embellish them anymore. Girl, let me show you. This is a Just the Queen style blinged out case. OMG. This is so freaking cute. It is, I mean, it has diamonds, pearls. It has the little wallet with crystals on it. I wouldn't have to do anything with this case. Somebody took their time and did this. You could actually do this yourself, and I have all the items to do it with, but they saved me some time. I don't have to bling this out. So I am loving this. It was about $4, I think, and that is a good price for this. I also got this little Chanel number 5 one, and it's sort of simple. It's got little crystals spread out on it. Girl, you know I got to put some more stuff on here. Because one thing about my phone cases, and I know I'm a super grandma, but I like to bling my stuff out. Don't ask me why. That's just what I like to do. My kids laugh at me, but I could say what was that thing we used to have, girls? Bedazzle. I be bedazzling everything. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. You've got the internet. This is super cute. And that is all that I have for you right now. So thank you for watching, and go and check out some of my other videos. I have a video that I just uploaded cleaning out my closet. And so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please check out my other videos. I do have some that show Bella Wholesale, and you know I love that site. I've got some new stuff for them. And I also got some videos coming up of some brand new wholesale places that I have for formal wear. I wanted to get that up by New Year's, but I didn't, so girl, we don't care. We gonna still do that video. And check out my closet cleaning video, because you know it is almost spring, and spring cleaning will be around before you know it. So see you in my next video. As always, mwah, kisses. See ya. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you later. Oh, see you later. This is called cheer dancing. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you later.